Welcome to Jim's Kitchen. Time to try a new breakfast. I learned you can make an omelet in the oven. It's called a cheesy oven omelet. Kind of sounds like an egg bake, but it's a very unique process. Join me in the kitchen and let's make it. You need a prepared glass baking dish and grab a bowl. You need to add 1.5 cups of 2 types of cheeses to a bowl. I'm going to be using some leftover cheddar and leftover Monterey Jack. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of flour to that cheese. Toss to coat and pour into your baking dish. On top, sprinkle on some cooked bacon. I've got a jar of pimentos. I'm going to drop some on top. And sprinkle on some parsley flakes. In a bowl, I'll need 6 to 8 eggs and a cup of milk. Whisk that up and pour it on top. We're going to cook this at 375 for about 25 to 30 minutes. We want it to puff up. Looks nice and puffy. Oven omelet. It's great. I love the texture of it. It tastes just like an omelet. The pimentos and the bacon are absolutely fantastic. This is a great holiday brunch thing you can have. And I think I'm going to give it a 7.7 out of 10. It's awesome. I got a hen to regularly count her own eggs. She's a real mathema chicken.